Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Have you ever wondered how to turn off the running daylights, okay, on Fiat 500? Stay with us to show you how we're going to do that. It will be the same from 2008 all the way until now. 2016, so we need to go inside your vehicle, and what you need to do, you need to turn the key on or start it, and now you need to click the menu button right here, click it once, and now you need to scroll down. Okay, speed beep, you can see 3B, set time, date, radio, speed display, auto close, right here units, and you need to go all the way to okay, button volume, daylights. So now what you need to do, you need to go again right here to menu again, and you can see our daylights are off. So you can turn them on like that, and now you have the daylights, running daylights on all the time, or you can turn them off. What you need to do after that, you just press menu to exit, and you need to scroll all the way down to exit menu, and that's fixing the problem, guys. And now if you go outside, you will see that the daylights are not on. Okay, as you can see, car is running and there is no light. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. We have a new video on our channel. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.